All right, my name is Brian Dusablon, and I'm the owner and a consultant with Learning Ninjas. I'm actually a former member and a former board member for ATD Houston, so I've enjoyed this organization before and wanted to get back involved after some time away, and sponsoring was a great opportunity for me. Found through Debbie Richards, so I've been connected with her actually on Twitter for a long time, and we kind of one of those things where we met at conferences and things before we met in the city that we lived in. So I knew her outside of Houston before I knew her in Houston. We do a lot of e-learning reviews and consulting, helping people make better e-learning. So we do workshops and webinars and kind of paired programming with e-learning. So we'll coach people and help them create better interactions and better designs. And that's we do a lot of projects like that. A lot of work with nonprofits and NGOs too, which is really rewarding. I think the connections, the networking, the being able to partner with. So my business is a associate model, so we're always looking for developers and designers and consultants to work with us and to help us connect with different audiences and different clients to work with and develop better content. I actually went to school for performance improvement technology. I was in the business school at Baylor, and a new emerging technologies department started, and that was the first thing that kind of struck my mind. I've always been interested in teaching and helping people with technology, so that was a good fit for me. So we started way back with authorware and Flash and those good stuff back then. The big thing for me with that is what I call the PLN, my personal learning network. So a lot of people on Twitter, Facebook, things like that. People I've met at conferences and speaking. ATD is one of them. So also with some of the vendors that I've partnered with, using their tools as they get better and better and roll out new versions of things, kind of dive into them and make myself learn them again. And that keeps me up to date with everything. Future of e-learning is, I think, one is XAPI, so being able to understand more about what our learners are doing inside of our courseware and inside of our all of the solutions that we're designing, and then also being able to observe performance metrics and compare those two things so that we know if any of our stuff is effective. I think being a member and being a sponsor, I think combined is really just giving back to the community. The networking opportunities are great, but really just trying to share what I've learned and share some of the work that I've done so people can learn from my mistakes and learn from the stuff that I've had, the successes that I've had as well. I like to attend more informal events. I think one of the things about this tech conference is it's pretty laid back. You can talk to the panels, you can talk to the participants and the presenters, and it's a lot more fun when it's engaging like that and not just somebody at the front of the room speaking to us for 2 hours. I actually network a lot with the speakers, and so I think it's a combination of those two things. I really enjoy talking to people that have problems that I can help solve, so just talking to participants and things like that, but also learning from the speakers is that's one of the biggest reasons or ways that I learn and keep up with everything is how people are doing things. I keep growing and use conferences and organizations like ATD to learn and grow and network and share your work.